The MOVO Action Camera Cage. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the MOVO cage for action cameras. It can be used for underwater filming or just normal usage to get a better grip and stabilize your footage. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, a wrist strap, and the mount for the GoPro action camera. As mentioned earlier, it can be used for underwater or just normal filming. You can mount various accessories on the cage. This is a metal cage designed for action cameras with two cold shoe mounts, along with a 1/4 and a 3/8 threaded holes. The unit is very solid and light and has an aluminum finish. It feels good in the hands and it's very well made. The side has the MOVO branding, and on the bottom you have the screw to mount the GoPro along with the 1/4 and 3/8 threads for a tripod. Along the top you have various threads that can be used for accessories and the two cold shoe mounts on top. You can attach lights and a microphone as some examples. The cage is just a little over 6 inches in length across, about 4.5 inches in height, and 1 inch wide. Installing the camera is easy. Just attach a supplied mount and insert the GoPro action camera and tighten it into place. I have a newer LED light that I will attach just to use an example. The setup works well, especially when shooting low light. I find it to be very handy and it gives better stabilization and handling. Overall, it just feels solid in the hands and it's well built. You can easily just navigate your shots. The MOVO cage for action cameras, a very versatile unit that will give you many options for taking video. It can be used for underwater or just normal shooting. I like the fact that you can attach numerous accessories and it gives you a nice stabilizing grip when shooting video. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.